Hello, Namaskaram. We're traveling now. Finally, we are flying in the air. Or just walking.
ठंड से गर्म में जा रहे हैं आप हैं माइनस टेम्परेचर हो पर वहाँ पे ऊपर माइनस था
One guy asked me to play flute, but I cannot play flute. Phone, holding phone, then holding flute in place, moving car.
एक दो दिन रुकने पर फिर आज शनिवार तक हल्की नहीं होती सोमवार को करवाना रात करवाना बात बराबरी एक्स्ट्रा दिन आप तब तक पहुँच भी जाओगे कहाँ है आपका राजस्थान एक दिन पहुँच जाओगे अगले दिन तक
But come out. I forget like sometimes.
ट्रेन से बस से भी जा सकते हैं हाँ बस भी मिल जाएगी रात आ गई दोनों बस चलती है बहुत बढ़िया हरिद्वार से
No, see, that's the only problem in this world. People getting attached to the role they are given. Whether it is a sannyasi wearing like saffron clothes and they're like, oh no, I am Baba. Like it's some kind of degree, you know, you're like, or a scientist wearing a white jacket and then thinking, oh my god, I am the real shit. Anybody who thinks that uniform make you, then you are completely wrong. See how many uniforms has been changed in the past in the world. Rahul Shankar ji. Wait for this info. फिर आगे ज़्यादा सीखना पड़ेगा भाई कोई कूल इंसान बनेगा ना So now I'm going to Rishikesh for we will stay there for a month. More healing the body and more concrete plan. I learned few stuff like Instagram. I realized I know very little. Not that much. I mean, content-wise, I'm fine. But main problem is not content. Main thing is the presentation and how is it reaching the right audience. A lot of people are going to be very surprised in the next 2-3 years. You will see. Because what has happened is like first the reality was broken into two pieces. Then I guided the one piece and kept them in a separate frequency. And they understand what is happening. Like they are in sync. Even though they might not know it personally, but still it doesn't matter. But the other side, basically, people who are in a completely different frequency, they are basically living in their own life. They are living such that they will repeat the same thing for 1,000 more lifetimes. They have no intention of any change. So those people will be very surprised when the real power is revealed. It's like a bug or a virus in a game. People who are playing very seriously in the game, but it's something to have. Those people will be very surprised when they realize that game itself is flexible. It's going to be very interesting from now on. Like really. I learned a lot of powers actually. How to manipulate the energy of the universe. Now that's the highest thing in a sense. I need some techniques, tools to master it. Not master it, like to create sort of a machine around it so that I can control like its amplitude and how to use it and all of it. I learned these also now, like how to manipulate the energy. These are called inscriptions, like you can do here also. This way you can send energy, like, or you can put formations. A lot of these application wise I just download from the anime. And I was like, okay, these guys are thinking that this can be done. So let's see how it can be done. So if you can use energy, then any technique can be very easy for you. But we have to go back to our main story, okay? So, see, now maybe one final stroke is required, but then you will all know who you are, okay? Then you will really realize the scale of the enemy. And then they will be like, oh my god, like, why did you awaken us to fight them? But you don't worry, okay? I'm with you. We'll keep playing like this, okay? Because you are not even 1% of the population. You will be like 0.01%. But that's why I have taught you magic and everything. No, you have to use those. If you really understand the video that I did on Shakti and the series that I uploaded in writing, you can master so much stuff. Like, it's just that part if you focus. That's like real power here.
Fashion on Amazon. Get the perfect looks inspired by the beats of trending now India. From chic to casual, we have got looks that match your vibe. Ready to elevate your wardrobe? Shop now on Amazon and discover your new favorite fits.
So we have to get back to that one. You guys have to keep improving, huh? Coming strong. Still, you guys need a lot of work. I mean, now I'm not able to set so much energy. I will see, I mean, if you can. Leelas are hard, no? They are like, you have to be both conscious and unconscious at the same time. It's hard to maintain that state for so long. It's like crazy. Like you be in this world also, but not in this world also. Hello Nidalji. Any question from your side? I was just discussing the overall state in this earth realm. Like what is really happening? The fight, the battle status, or the war status. So now you have realized, at least if you observe carefully, like the people are coming together across the lines. You understand? Now the first time the lines are blurring and they are reuniting under some other umbrella. No, I saw your question. I just had some idea. Bolo question, bolo. Intoxicated. I am never intoxicated, bro. That's what you don't understand. Okay, if you write your question, I will answer it then. Okay? Let me complete this topic first.
बुकिंग मिल गई थी अगर ऋषिकेश की है ना फील्ड में आज तक नहीं हुआ क्यों वो है कंपनी का आने का नहीं हुआ ना फील्ड में मैंने कहा आने का नहीं हुआ तब मैं आना था मैंने वहाँ पर रुका नहीं उसका मैं यहाँ आया था तब बुकिंग मिल गई चुनाव हुआ अध्यक्ष का तब वहाँ रिज्यूम भी देर का भी कुछ कॉल आई नहीं उनकी हाँ
Okay, so back to the main topic. So after a long time now, like a lot of different people are uniting together. Like finally, people who really wanted to practice any religion to attain peace. I say whatever I want to say. Intoxicant only work if I let them work. If I want to be sober, I can be completely sober. Like, done. That's it. Yeah, back to the event topic. Everybody is getting united. Let's see the women movement around women rights is kind of happening throughout the world in the same sense. Like even in the West, like women who are catcalled while they are roaming in the streets and like that, or even in India, like the same situation, the Desi version of it. So all of it is coming together, and now that is also connected with spirituality, because the example of how the society should be, or how the status of a woman should be, that can be like the best taken from the spiritual. So like what is the highest form of being a woman? So you will say like, okay, that's like goddess, like, right? That's the highest form of being a woman. But how do you become a goddess? Same way you become a god, by spirituality. So there are ways, if you keep doing your work, keep doing your tapasya, keep doing your sadhana, that will take you there. and it's only so in the world level, even in countries, you will see like there is a realignment happening. Like two clear groups are being formed right now, which are very clear because the other side has no intention of listening to the other side. Like the people in the West, the US, and all of this bloc, they have no intention of entertaining anything where they are not supreme. So even the word of a god or all of that, they don't want to accept that. Not because it doesn't have power, it's because why would you then? They enjoy the power. So basically we are reuniting the feminine energy, which is not like male or female in a sense. Now you guys must have understood it, right? Like after so many round and round I did, then you finally understood what is really feminine. And feminine energy is the source of the creation. You cannot create anything without, you can say, a host. But soon when you will completely connect to each other, then you realize how strong the enemy is. Then we have to be I thought he had so many questions, man. Like, no question is coming. What is this? What is this question? Ever spent time with Sadhu with intoxication?
This is a podcast.
I have spent time with everyone. These things doesn't work on me. I told Sadhus also. You let it work so that you calm down. Because otherwise, so many people doing check all the time.
There should be a play button somewhere at the bottom of the screen now.
Get peace of mind knowing what's coming next when you're listening. Turn off shuffle to
Sayed, I have so many questions.
from start to finish. Always
What questions here?
uninterrupted
Yeah, no question.
music listening. Discover more ways to stay in your zone with Spotify Premium. Tap the
Okay,
banner
so
to
that's
launch.
the status. You realize that there is so much darkness in this world, in all different kind of uniforms. And it was very important for you to mature and grow yourself so that you can identify it across the upper surface. Because these guys are good at, hiding themselves in uniforms. Okay, so bye bye. I upload a reel also. Nidal, you suggest the topic of the reel. What do you want to know? 1.5 minute reel. Is it gone? Okay, we will think of something. For now, we will leave. People access to these are like children's game, basically. Oh, injection.
क्या है भाई?
Can you? I'm wondering just wondering this generation, this year, if somebody here want to get solution, like think about the path every path is left. Wait, so who is blocking your path? Only you. very stupid question. I am myself not a Bhakti Mahaprabhu. I am a Gyan Yogi. So how did I understood it? Boy, stupid to say, no? Only Bhakti path is left. Krishnamurti was there, Ramana Maharshi was there. There are so many Gyan Yogis. Get knowledge. You don't need anything else. You know it all. So something new comes, then you don't even able to accept it. The conceptions or the stereotypes of the society, they carry you. People will break to live you in the present moment. You tell me how much time you live in. I live in present only all the time. Why would I go anywhere? You cannot live in any other moment. It's impossible. Just realizing that, nothing else. That's fine. No, nothing can break me. Hello. Okay, so we'll leave now. Nice talking to everyone. Like if you actually watch or transcribe the 1 hour video that I made about Shakti, that's the entire knowledge of the science right there. You're like, nobody reads anything else other than that. That's it. If you understand that, you can create any kind of device. Okay, bye. Namaskaram.